So we are going to write the program about the snake game that can eat the food, and if it get collisions with the walls or from itself, then it should not over the game. So let's write the program. So first we write the import turtle to import the turtle so that we can use the turtle graphics programming, and we can get the advantage of you to use functions uh, all the features, so that you can see in this. And now we are importing random. So for random to I'm going to generate the random food, so that we have written random and random numbers also for measuring the height and width of the window. So let's define the constants for window width. I am taking 500 pixels, but if you want a bigger, then you can take 1000 pixels. And height also I'm taking same, and I am giving delay time 100 milliseconds for the timer, like how long it should move, and it should there should be the gap, it should be the delay. And food size, I have taken the food. How is I'm taking the between the snake's steps 20 pixels, then food size it should be the smaller than that, so I am taking 10 pixels. And offset to determine how much snakes move in each direction, so I am taking 20 pixels to move it. So when it goes up, then it should x-axis be 0 and y should be 20. So it will look up, snake is up. And when it is down, then 0 and y-axis will be minus 20, negative. And left, that means x-axis should be negative, so minus 20 and 0. And right, that means x-axis should be positive and 0, 20, 0. And I have taken the lambda expressions bind direction keys. This is the callback functions where it will call the set snakes directions functions, and that is the I have defined over here. So bind directions keys, what they will do when the keyword is pressed upward, then it snakes should move to the upward, so it should call to the up functions. So if directions up, uh, and then if down keyword is pressed, then it should call to the down functions, set snakes functions, where I have given this is the argument, up and down. In lambda expression you can use the argument, and set directions left and set snakes directions right. Now I have defined the set snakes directions, where I have taken the global snakes directions variable, and if direction is up, then if snakes direction is not down, then you should up, and if direction you want to down, then you write it if snake direction is equal to not up, then snake direction is equal to down. And else if direction is equal to left, if his next direction is equal to not right, then right next direction is equal to left. Else if direction is equal to right, if his next direction is equal to not left, then his next direction is equal to right. And I have written here game loop, where we will derive the how it should move functions. So here before moving, we have to clear all the stamps to remove stamps by stampers. So stamper dot clear stamps, no movement now. And then we are making new head, where is snakes -1 dot copy. So last segment of the list it will be copied. That is the new head to make it a movement. And new head 0 is the x-axis, it will, and new head it will be the y-axis, it will be the movement. So horizontally it will move, and here it will vertically it will move. So horizontally means left or right, vertically means either it will go up or down. So here is new head of 0. So offset I have added is next direction of 0. So from here it will take offset, so 0 to 20 and 0 to minus 20. So and here new head 1, it will take offset is next directions 1 for y directions. So it will take minus 20 0 and 20 0. And and now we are checking for the collisions. So collision, like a whole width should be divided by 2, because center is the 0 0 of his snakes. So that's why I have done here new head in snakes, or new head of the 0, like a first head should be the minus width by 2 divided by 2, or new head of 0 um, is greater than width by 2, forward slash or new head 1 less than minus height by 2, or new head of 1 greater than height by 2. So here I have taken like minus width by 2 for minus x by 2, x plus x by 2, and here is a y minus y by 2 and y by 2. And here you can see, then we reset the functions we call, um, and then we write the to reset the directions, um, uh, reset the once again snake should be start, it should not like disappear when get it collision, else add new head to snake body. So snake dot append is equal to new head, and check food collision. If not food collision, the snake dot pop of 0, keep the snake the same length unless fed. So pop 0, draw snake. For segment in snake, stamper dot go to stamp segment 0, segment 1, stamper dot stamp to draw a snake. This is the like 0 and 1. From 2 point we make the head snakes, and refresh screen dot titles snake game score dot snake game dot score, column score variable we are calling, and screen dot update, and repeat turtle dot on timer game loop, and then delay I have given here the 100 milliseconds, so it will be delay, and I'm calling the game loop, the where the movement we have write all the, so x-axis it will movement, and on y-axis it will be movement, left right and up down. So now we call this, and function for detecting food collision. So I am writing the functions for food collision. So for that I have written global food positions variable and score variable to score once they take the food. If get distance snakes minus 1, like a first previous head, and comma food positions that is less than 20, and then score is score plus 1, food position get random food positions. So food should be the less than 20 pixels head, then it should score, that means it has eaten the food, and food is then food should go to the random position, so get random food positions, and food dot go to the food positions and return true, otherwise return false. Get random food positions, so x is equal to random dot random eat minus width divided by 2 plus food size comma width divided by 2 minus food size. So when it is positive, then we will do minus, and when it is negative, then we will do plus. And same here for y directions. So random dot rand it minus height divided by 2 plus food size, and plus height by 2 minus food size. Next we define the get distance, and there is a position 1, positions 2, two variable. X1 y1 is the position 1 and x2 y2 is the positions 2. Distance is equal to y2 minus y1 cross whole square 2 x2 minus x1 whole square 2 and under root it is. So under root we can say whole square 1 by 2, that is the 0.5, that is the Pythagoras theorem, and then return the distance. Reset functions I have written here, so that if it is collision it happens, so it should reset again. So for that, global score is snake's direction, food positions, these are the variable, and score is equal to 0 I have put initially, and this is the snake's list. 0 0 coordinates, and then it moves to 20 0, then 40 0, 60 0, and its next direction always up I have taken. And food positions is equal to get random food position, food go to the food position, game loop I have called, that is till the movements of the, here is the movement of the x directions and y directions. And once you do, and game loop we called, and then create window, where we will do drawing. Screen is equal to turtle dot screens, screen dot setup width and height, and screen dot title you can write anything. Snow control with the collision. And screen background I like green, let's take it. And screen dot trace 0, disable it automatic animations. Event handler, the screen dot listen to event, and bind directions keys I am calling, that I have taken here. Lambda expressions, bind directions keys to bind it if you are pressing the up keyword or down keyword, left keyword, right keywords with arguments. So that I am going to call here. They should listen to the screen and create a turtle to do any stuff. So stamper is equal to turtle dot turtle, stamper dot shape is square. I have taken a square shape. Stamper dot pin up to get after that and go somewhere else. So pen should remove, pen should go up. And food turtle dot turtles, and food dot shape is equal to circle, and food dot color I have taken red. Food dot shape size, food size divided by 20, so that it should be smaller. Shape size should be the smaller. And food dot pin up. And reset functions we are calling set animation in motions, turtle dot done. And then let's write directions, right click and then run python file in terminal. Here is the game, and even though it is going out of boundary, it is coming back. So food is, if it is coming, food is like let's do the little bit maybe 500, so that you can see, and make it width 1000, so you can see the bigger screen. And let's see what happened. Here you go, run python file in terminal.